Why does your scanner show the P0528 engine code? What does it mean? P0528 is a diagnostic trouble code for fan speed sensor circuit malfunction. The P0528 engine code, or indicate your vehicle's engine computer, PCM or ECM, has detected that the cooling fan is failing to communicate or is not sending a proper rotational speed signal back to the computer. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle: faulty fan clutch or electric fan, defective fan speed sensor, damaged wiring or connections, blown fuses or faulty relays, faulty engine coolant temperature sensor. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2 equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Dodge, Toyota, and Ford. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.